Now I'd like to discuss each of the three main layers of Earth. First, the crust. Earth's crust is what we see when we look at Earth's surface. If you imagine that Earth is a piece of fruit, the crust is like the skin of the fruit. Our planet's skin is made up of solid rock. There are two kinds of crust, oceanic and continental. Oceanic crust is all of the crust that is covered by Earth's oceans. Actually, most of Earth's crust is oceanic because most of Earth's surface is covered with water. Continental crust is the part of the crust that makes up Earth's land areas. Which do you think is thicker, oceanic crust or continental crust? If you guess continental crust, you're correct. Oceanic crust is only about 6 to 11 kilometers thick. Continental crust is thicker than oceanic crust, about 30 to 40 kilometers thick. And as I said, both kinds of crust are made up of solid rock. Moving down from the crust, the next layer of Earth is called the mantle. This layer is much thicker than the crust. The mantle is about 2,900 kilometers deep. The upper part of the mantle is cool, solid rock, like the crust. But the further down you go into the mantle, the more the temperature increases. Because of the higher temperature, the lower part of the mantle is hot and soft. Finally, continuing downward to the center of the planet, we come to the core. The core can be divided into two parts, an outer core and an inner core. The outer core is very, very hot. It is so hot, in fact, that the rocks here melt and become liquid. Think about that. Deep down below us, near the center of the Earth, there is a layer of hot, liquid rock. At the very center of Earth, there is a huge ball of very high pressure and high temperature material. This is called the inner core. Scientists believe the inner core is made up of two metals called iron and nickel. The pressure of Earth on this iron and nickel creates a lot of heat. Scientists guess that the temperature of the inner core may be as high as 4,000 degrees Celsius. This heat moves outward from the core and heats the planet from the inside.